In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see version history in Bolt.new. We'll walk through a simple, reliable flow so you can quickly find past versions of your work and understand how your project has evolved. This is especially helpful when you need to confirm what changed, when it changed, and by whom. Start by opening your browser and heading to Bolt.new. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're in the correct workspace for the project you want to review. If your sidebar is minimized, hover or click to expand it so you can see all the navigation options. Next, look to the left-hand side and click Projects. This takes you to a central place where all your projects are listed. It's designed to help you jump right into any project without digging through folders, and it's the fastest way to move between different pieces of work. At the top of the Projects page, use the Search for a Project field. Start typing part of the project name or a keyword you remember. Results will narrow as you type, which is great when your list is long. Typing even a few letters can be enough to surface what you need. If you use consistent naming in your organization, you'll find this step especially quick. Once you spot the project you want, click on it to open the workspace. You'll land in the main project view where you typically see your files, editor, and any context relevant to your build. Take a quick glance to confirm you're in the right place before proceeding. To access version history, click the project name at the top of the workspace. This opens a small menu where you'll see an option labeled Version History. Click that. You'll now see a chronological list of past versions, often including timestamps, authors, and any notes saved with each change. This view provides a clear timeline that makes it easy to trace how the project developed over time. Inside the version history view, use the built-in search to quickly filter entries. Type a date, a keyword from a change note, or even part of a contributor's name if it's displayed. This is incredibly useful when you're trying to pinpoint a specific modification without scrolling through a long list. Small descriptive notes and consistent naming make this search even more effective, so consider adding clear messages to your changes going forward. That's it. You've gone from opening Bolt.new to finding your project, to viewing and searching its version history. Thanks for watching and happy building.